Hello guys, today I'm going to be unboxing 4 things we got from Bowlmor Arcade. The first thing is, I don't know. Whoa, it's this lizard thing. It's kind of rubbery. I think it's just for fun, a little toy you can add to your collection. Let's look at the next thing. Whoa, it's one of those wrist things. So you just unwrap it and then you just plop it onto your wrist. That's kind of cool. So what could this next thing be? Whoa, it's a balloon. It's one of those very big balloons where you can bounce it and play with it, like by hitting it back. It's kind of like you hit it against the wall. And what could the last thing be? Whoa, I guess it's another lizard. But as you can see, the texture's a bit different. And this one is a little harder. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel.